Good morning. So I'm at Sri Petaling. Sorry, Chan Sao Lin. Chan Sao Lin, very early in the morning, 7 a.m. No, it's 8 a.m. When I came here it was 7 a.m. So why am I here? Because I'm bringing these that you saw earlier, the wheel caps. Now these wheel caps are from the 1970s, of course used, and these are one solid piece of metal. Yes, no plastic at all. So it's one solid piece of metal, electroplated, basically chromed, and with the emblem like embossed at the mold, so and then painted red. So these are quite what you call tarnish. So today I'm bringing to this place called Malaysia electroplating at Chan Sao Lin, and see whether we can restore this to perfection. So my plan is to re-chrome these caps, and after that the red insert, I won't be painting it, but I will be sending it to Motorsport Playground Remus to do a vinyl insert. Okay, basically print out the sticker and stick on it. So this set is an experimental set. These are all my first time doing all this, so I want to see how well the end product will end up being, and then if it's good, then it can be applied to a lot of other applications later on, right? Okay, stay tuned. Good afternoon. Now this is another day. So why suddenly another day, right? Well, yesterday I brought the wheel caps to the electroplating place. So basically they can re-chrome it for me, but they do not have the resources to fix all the little dent and things, on the surface of the cap. So what I need to do is I need to prep the surface properly before I can send them for re-chroming. Now, so that's why today I'm bringing the wheel caps to my body guy, my spray painter Dinesh in Ara Damansara. Sorry, Kayu Ara. To let him have a look, because it's one solid piece of metal, right? So I think welding should work. So let's see how we're going to prep the surface.
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the third exit.
Yep, prep the surface, and then I'll send it for re-chroming. And at the same time, today I'm bringing my dampers, my front absorbers, new, that I sourced from Kuching.
At the roundabout, take the third exit on Shah Alam, Kuala Lumpur.
Those absorbers are for my Accords, so they are new, and they've been stored for 40 over years. So there is just a little bit of surface rust on the bottom of the absorbers. So I'm bringing the absorbers to Dinesh as well. So what we're going to do is basically it's just chip off paint, you see. So we are going to sand the surface, the body of the absorber down to bare metal, and then we primer it, and then we will put bed liner on it. So yeah, that's all about the details, even to the extent of absorbers, because absorbers actually quite near to the surface, and it actually got a lot of
in 3.8 kilometers, exit to Ipoh, Kuala Lumpur, KLIA.
A lot of these contaminants coming from the road, all the moisture. So I want to preserve that absorbers. Yeah, you see what I mean now? There's a little bit of surface rust. This will be taken care of. Good morning. So today I'm bringing this thing to Pan Malaysia, electroplating at Sungai Buloh. Just bring one piece to them to try their workmanship, whether their electroplating is good or not. Well, I'm at God knows where. Basically some industrial area at the back of Sungai Buloh. So just gonna try this guy out and see whether the workmanship is good before I actually send more things. So just try one piece. This place is recommended by my spray painter, and I'm not sure. We are not sure. Both of us are not sure how well is their work yet. Wow, really God knows where, man. So that's Pan Malaysia. That's a beautiful. What is that? Citron, right? Okay. Yeah, let's find out. Okay, just send the caps to them. Nothing much, just left my contact number. But this caught my attention. Look at those rims. Oh man. Wow, the rims are quite pretty, right? To be honest. So you think Honda Insight was the first one to design it like this? No. Probably Citron. Okay, time to go. Hello guys, so I've just collected the wheel cap. Not too shabby, you know, not too shabby, and it doesn't cost a lot. So yeah, you can see the imperfection here, right? It's essentially the metal itself, not the electroplating. So wherever you want to do plating, right, you make sure your surface is prepped nicely lah. So this was prepped by my spray painter, and this is the best he can get, which I don't mind, to be honest. You know, sometimes when you play with old cars, a little bit of imperfection tells a bit of stories. So it's okay lah, yeah? Don't worry too much. But overall, come on, look at that, not too shabby, not too shabby. So this will go into the restore rims, which I'm going to collect now. I'm going to show you guys as well. And mind you that the inside cannot be coated unless you use a different chemical, because right, imagine when you submerge this into the chemical, yeah, so there's air bubble here, so the air bubble will actually block the plating. So if you want to do that as well, also can, just that it will use a different kind of chemical which will cost a lot more. So yeah, don't worry, that is an option to actually plate the entire thing. This side will be normal nickel chrome, and this one will be a different chemical which costs a lot more. So yeah, if you can pay, go ahead. So let me show you the rims now, and I'm going to test fit this. Should I? I think I should. Oh, relief, man. Relief after I think 4 months, 5 months. Started the car back, hooked back up the battery, started the car back. Now I'm heading to do my tire change finally. Oh guys, hello, good to be back. Oh, I'm finally driving the Honda Accord again. Because of all the MCO, all the CMCO, and I was trying to claim the battery, and it took me a while. And finally, after the car has been idle for 5 months, without a battery. I finally started it back. Oh my god! What the moment it cranks up, right? It kind of I'm kind of relieved that okay, finally the first. You see, old cars, right? Even with starting it up, you're very happy already, yeah. And then I drove it up for a bit. Oh, it still drives like a dream. And then I'm now stopped at this petrol station, waiting for my tow truck to come because the tires is already 9 to 10 years old, and there's a bit of a transmission leaking issue due to the oil seal. So I do not want to drive this car so far. That's why I just drive it out and then call my tow truck and then waiting for him. So he will tow me to my tire shop. So I'm getting new tires with the new rims, not new lah, restored rims for this car. So yeah, update you guys later. Oh, finally, man, now the aircon is cold. And then just now I was having some problem with my phone charging, which I was a bit paranoid because because it's running out of battery, right? And the cable got problems. So I went into the petrol station and get a new cable. Thankfully it works. Oh yes. So today we are getting new tires, and then I'll drive it back from Kota Damansara back to Bukit Jalil. Stay tuned. Share with you guys later. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Going into the infamous Penchala tunnel. Of course, I'm not going to test my exhaust here because I don't have a loud exhaust, right? But okay, the car drives like a dream. Okay, it's not drive like a dream yet, but I would say the ride quality is much improved compared to my 9 to 10 years old tires, which I think all the compound had hardened by now. Well, this one, the new tire, AN600, it's very compliant. Okay, tow is coming up. Bye bye. Oh, this car really handles, man. Lovely, lovely. Oh my lord, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I've gotten the wheel cap back into the rim now. If you notice, this lug nut are not original. I'm going to get some original one. The front one are originals, but I think apparently they changed this due to some issue, I guess. But yeah, the wheel cap is on the restored rim, so now it's rather decent looking. I won't say perfect yet. And one small detail, yeah, I think all the Honda guys will know this. The bottom of the logo has to match the air valve. Now that is a small details that was told by a Honda expert to me, and I've learned new things, and hope you you will be more anal after this. Okay, all right, cheers, bye.